Welcome to How to Make the Most of Your Accountant's Practice Online during tax season. Your Accountant's Practice Online gives you the ability to take advantage of today's technology to improve your firm's productivity, improve your client services, and improve your bottom line. Today we'll cover two scenarios, one for new prospects and one for existing clients. To begin, let's do a dry run of a typical tax season engagement for a new prospect. This process is very less paper-oriented. A prospect searches the internet for tax preparer, accountant, CPA, etc. The prospect then locates and uses the Accountants World Directory of accounting professionals, or through an organic search, locates your firm, visits your website, then contacts your office. You set an appointment in the scheduler, which also generates an automatic email reminder to the prospect. The scheduler can also generate an invoice in time to money following the appointment. Then invite the prospect to complete your online tax organizer or download an organizer from your website. You can also invite the client to get door-to-door directions to your firm from the map link right on your Contact Us page. Then you create the tax return and save it as an electronic PDF, upload the tax return to the Cyber Cabinet, your online document management system, for client review and/or permanent archive. The client will review and approve the tax return in the Cyber Cabinet if requested. You then e-file the return to the IRS, and invoice is ready in time to money for print or email. Your new client can pay your fee or additional fees via the merchant account on your website. And the client checks the IRS and state tax return status from the Check Your Refund link right on your website. Again, this process is virtually paperless and a great way to start off your new client engagements. Now let's look at a dry run of a typical tax season engagement for an existing client. This process is very similar to the prospect process, with a few exceptions noted in the dotted boxes. You can begin by email broadcasting a tax newsletter to your clients to remind them of the upcoming tax engagement. When the client contacts you for an appointment, set the appointment in the scheduler, which automatically generates the email reminder and creates an invoice in time to money upon completion. Invite your client to complete the Proforma online tax organizer or review their organizer in the Cyber Cabinet. You then create the tax return and save it as an electronic PDF, upload the tax return to the Cyber Cabinet for review and/or archive, e-file the tax return to the IRS, an invoice is ready in time to money for approval, print, or email. Your client can pay via the merchant account on your website, and have the client track the tax return processing at the IRS or state right from your website. Check Your Refund. Certainly some of your high-profile or internet-savvy clients will appreciate the technology-rich engagement processes you have to offer. By taking full advantage of your Accountant's Practice Online, your tax season engagements will be more productive than ever. Thank you and best wishes for a great year ahead.